Dear children, I would like to recall the previous class Roman numerals. Yes, in Roman numeral I represents 1, V represents 5, X represents 10, L represents 50, C represents 100, D represents 500 and M represents 1000. Yes. Have you understood, children? Yes. Dear children, previous class what we have learnt? Yes, we have learnt express the following into Roman numerals. Now we are going to see express the following into Hindu-Arabic numeral. Yes, the Roman numeral we are going to change into Hindu-Arabic numerals. Some examples now we are going to discuss. You know well, I represents 1, II represents 2, I represents 3. Now IV. The smaller number is left of the larger symbol. The smaller symbol is left of the larger symbol is subtraction. So you get 4. Now this is 5. Right of the larger symbol is addition. So 5 plus 1, 6. Have you understood, children? Yes. Like we have X. X means 10. XX 20. X 30. Yes. You have a confusion with 40 and 60. Listen carefully. L represents 50. L represents 50. XL represents 40. XL represents 40. And LX represents 60. Yes. The smaller symbol coming back of the left side of the larger symbol means subtraction. So 50 minus 10 you get 40. Now LX. LX means, what is that? The smaller symbol right of the larger symbol is addition. 50 plus 10, 60. Yes, here LXX 70. LXX 80. Now you know well C means 100. What is the symbol? C represents 100. Now XC means 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10, 90. So CX what will come? CX means 110. Have you understood? CX means 110. Now D. You know well, D represents 500. Then CD means CD represents 400. 500 minus 100 you get 400. Then DC means, yes, 500 plus 100, 600. Now M. M represents 1000. CM means 1000 minus 100. CM means 1000 minus 100. So you get 900. Now MC. MC means 1000 plus 100, 1100. Have you understood, children? Yes. With the small introduction, shall we go to the exercise now? Yes. Write each of the following as Hindu-Arabic numeral. Write each of the following as Hindu-Arabic numeral. Yes, they have given Roman numeral. We are going to convert into Hindu-Arabic numeral. Shall we do now? Yes. What is the value of X? Yes, 10 plus V represents 5. So it will become 6. So what is the answer? 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 6, 26. Yes. Now X. So very easy. X represents 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus, this is IV. This is VI. VI represents 6. So IV represents 4. Very good. Now 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 4, 34. Yes. XL. Just before I taught you, know what is the value of XL? What is the value of L? L represents 50. Then XL? XL means 40. Yes, very good. 40 plus V represents 5. So 40 plus 5, 45. Now LIV. L represents 50, you know well. IV. IV represents 4. So 50 plus 4, 54. Have you understood? Yes. Now X represents what? 50 plus 10 plus 10 plus V represents 5. So 50 plus 10, 60. 60 plus 10, 70. 70 plus 5. Very good. 75. Now XC. C represents 100. C represents 100. So XC, what is the value of XC? Very good. 90. I taught no. Yes. XC represents 90. 90 plus 1, 91. 90 plus 1, 91. Now, you know well the same thing. XC represents 90. 90 plus VI. VI represents 6. So, 90 plus 6, 96. Now, XC, yes, you are correct. XC represents 90. Then IV represents, VI represents 6. Then IV represents 4. Very good. So, 90 plus 4, 94. Now, XL. What is the value of XL? L value 50. XL value 40. 40 plus IX. IX 9. 40 plus 9, 49. 40 plus 9, 49. X represents 10. So, 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 3, 8. So, we write like this. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 8, 28. Yes. Have you understood, children? Yes. Dear children, we are learning and writing yes. Today we are going to learn Roman numeral in a different way. What we are going to do? First you have to collect the date of birth datas from your family members. Have you understood? Yes, your date of birth, your mother, your father, your brother, your grandparents' date of birth. You collect it first. Then we are going to do the project. Have you understood? Yes. Here I prepared one project for you. Like you just try to do this. Then my mother's date of birth. Like I have written, for that date we have to write it in a Roman numeral. Have you understood, children? Yes. You just decorate it like yourself. How whatever you want to write, decorate, you just decorate it. My father's date of birth. Like you have to write your parents' date of birth, and for that Roman numerals also you have to write. See here, my brother's date of birth. And my friends. Is it? Have you understood? Like you are going to do one project and you have to staple it and you prepare it like a booklet and send it to us. Send it to me. Which is the best project, you will be awarded.